And it's been a year since Jay Wadia has taken up the reins at Bombay Dyeing, one of India's oldest industrial houses. In a rare and exclusive television appearance, the managing director disclosed the company's next big focus, real estate.
A year back, when prominent industrialist Nusli Wadia passed on the baton of managing director to his younger son Jay Wadia, the mandate was clear. The fabric of one of India's leading textile companies was going to change. And now, Bombay Realty, a subsidiary to the listed entity Bombay Dyeing, with its 10,000 acres of land bank across India, has been picked as the game changer. Currently, Bombay Realty, with a market capitalization of 1,800 crores, contributes about 6% to Bombay Dyeing's revenue share. But the management is hoping for a tenfold increase.
Over the next 5 years, we'll see at least more than 60 to 70% of the profits and or the revenues basically contributed from the real estate division.
The stake of Bombay Realty in Bombay Dyeing has already increased by 8%. However, the management says there is no possibility of Bombay Realty being spinned off as a separate entity.
Bombay Dyeing will continue to be the parent group of Bombay Realty. The land bank that Bombay Dyeing has will be developed by Bombay Realty. And as I said, in terms of the other group and family assets, will also be developed by Bombay Realty. It won't be separated, or it won't be IPO'd because it's already a listed company. So the shareholders of Bombay Dyeing will benefit from the real estate development.
According to market analysts, Bombay Dyeing's key concern is its highly leveraged debt-equity ratio of 3:1. And the management's hope now is to develop Bombay Realty as its next money spinner to help reduce its overall debt. But it remains to be seen whether the company's game plan and the aggressive promotions it is employing to launch projects in South Mumbai will yield the desired results. In Mumbai, Priyanka Ghosh.
So the management betting big on Bombay Realty. Coming up next, a day after China poll